Let's go.
Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making fried shrimp. You will need 1 pound of shrimp, 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup of cornmeal, 1/2 cup of milk, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of Creole seasoning, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and vegetable oil for frying. In a shallow dish, add the milk and egg, then whisk until well combined. Now set it aside until later. In another dish, combine the flour and cornmeal. Now add the onion powder, salt, and pepper. Add the garlic powder and Creole seasoning, then mix until well combined. Dredge the shrimp in the flour mixture, then coat with your egg wash, then dredge in the flour mixture again, then set it on a wire rack. Add your oil to your pan, then using medium heat, bring your oil to temperature. Now fry your shrimp for 2 minutes. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Hello and welcome to my channel. We're getting to share with you the foods that I love to make and my recipes. At Soul Food Cooking class, you will learn to grasp how to make great food with steps made for you.